What rental cars are covered? If you have ever wondered what types of rental cars are covered under your auto insurance policy, you are in the right spot. Understanding this can help you make informed decisions when renting a vehicle. Rental car insurance typically applies to cars rented from recognized car rental agencies. This includes a variety of vehicles, from compact cars to larger sport utility vehicles and vans, depending on what the rental company has available. When it comes to rental car insurance, there are several types of coverage you should know about. First, liability coverage is essential. This protects you if you cause damage or injuries to others while driving the rental car. It helps shield you from financial responsibilities that can arise from accidents. Next, there is loss or collision damage waiver coverage. This type of insurance releases you from financial responsibility for damages to the rental car itself, including theft and vandalism. Often, this coverage is mandatory if you do not have other forms of insurance that cover these risks. Personal accident insurance is another important aspect. This coverage protects you and your passengers from medical expenses if you are injured in an accident while driving the rental car. Additionally, personal effects coverage is available, which covers your belongings if they are stolen from the rental vehicle. Now, let's talk about what specific rental cars are typically covered. Most rental car insurance policies cover standard vehicles available at rental agencies. This includes sedans, sport utility vehicles, and vans. However, some policies may also cover specialty vehicles, like luxury cars or trucks. Keep in mind that this can vary based on the rental company and the specific insurance options you choose. It is also important to note some exclusions. Generally, rental car insurance does not cover vehicles rented for commercial purposes, such as trucks used for moving. Vehicles rented for extended periods, which might be considered long-term leases, are often excluded as well. From an auto insurance perspective, knowing what rental cars are covered is vital for ensuring you have the right protection during your rental period. If your personal auto insurance policy includes comprehensive and collision coverage, it may extend to rental cars. This could reduce the need for additional rental car insurance, saving you money. In the context of rental reimbursement, which is often part of auto insurance policies, understanding what rental cars are covered can help you manage costs if you need to rent a car while your vehicle is being repaired. This aspect of auto insurance can provide financial assistance for renting a replacement vehicle, ensuring you stay mobile during the repair process.